To begin round 15, we chain 1, skip the stitch in front of the chain 1, and double crochet on next stitch, repeating it a total of 11 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then on these 2 stitches on each side of the point of the diamond, we are going to make 2 double crochets on each of these 2 stitches. So that's 1, and this is the second set of 2 double crochets. After the last set of 2 double crochets in 1 stitch, then double crochet on the next stitch. This is the beginning of the repeating stitches. So we will repeat double crochet on next stitch a total of 18 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then 2 double crochets on next stitch, repeating it twice. So that's 1, 2 double crochet on next stitch for the second time, and repeat. So this is the ending of the repeating stitches. So go back or play back the video starting on the beginning of the repeating stitches from here to here, all the way around, and I'll meet you toward the end to show you how the round ends. Toward the end of the round, double crochet on the next stitch, and on the next stitch up to the stitch that was in front of the beginning chain 1. And this is the last stitch of the round. And do a seamless ending just like we did before. And that's the end of round 15.